Makaih. Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to 520 Speedworks. This is the crashed Cobra rebuild. We are excited because we got the last parts of our rear end assembly. So this allows us to be able to go and actually hang the rear end on the car. We got the rear pumpkin brace that holds the top mount, holds the 5-link watts link that goes right here like this. Got our arms, and then also we got the rest of our brake fittings so we can finish up the brakes on the front, maybe even run some lines today. So, welcome. Thank you for being here. If you guys are new, please hang out, check this out. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Those of you that have been here with us, here we are again. So let's get going on this.
Do you have anything to say about washers?
Oh, no, washers are good.
Or something. I don't know. You said we need to talk more in the videos. I'm trying to get you to talk more. Instead, you're just staring at the dang thing. Like, it is a nice hunk of metal, okay? I didn't do that. Not a clue. The camera didn't see it though. That was... Why? What is it doing?
Alright, so we got the rear pumpkin fixture on. Now it's time for Ashley and I to move this monstrosity off the table and onto the little wheelie cart that we got to be able to slide it underneath the motor. So, Ashley, you ready?
No.
No? Okay, good. Well, let's do it.
Let me go sit. Okay. What do you want this resting? Not like that!
Watch your fingers, watch your fingers.
This is gonna fall. I'm the only reason why it's sitting upright. Okay. And
Tilt it backwards. Tilt it back. Perfect. Perfecto! Alright guys, we're going to get our rear lower trailing arms the correct length. We got the measurement from my car. Because I have the Gordon Levy's 5-link on it. We just got that measurement just for a starting base. It'll change a little bit when we put it on the alignment rack, but it needs to be 17.5 inches long. Now you can do this. We have cool little tools like this that allow us to be able to do this fairly quick without having to do it. So basically what we're just going to do is we're going to take this measurement right here, take it to 17.5, and then we can just move these until we get to, we're going to try to make them fairly even. Here we go. Nice thing about this is that one's right hand and one's left hand, so when you get it on the car, just to extend it or shorten it, all you have to do is just twist it and it will go the correct, it'll go the correct ways. Like I said, this isn't the last time we're going to do it, but there's one.
Nice light versus the intermittent body cloud thing. Yeah, you can talk now.
All right, here we go for the second one. So now that we have it set, just get them out. Boom.
What you giggling about?
Because I kept twisting this one backwards because it's left-hand thread. Done. Even. Equal.
Don't get your leg caught under that. You want to know if it's good. Oh my god, that's gonna topple. Jesus. Dad.
What? Just calm down. Everything's under control. Yay!
You know what you didn't bring?
Wrenches.
Your wrenches.
They're right over there. Put those on, that'll give us that. And then we want to be like here because we want half washers. Na na na. Half washers. Na na na.
Alright.
Let's go see what we can get.
Ace run?
Ace run. Na na na. Ace run. Na na na.
Why don't you just leave that one in?
Because I need this bolt. Ace run. Rear end in the car. right, guys. So rear end is. Why do I do this with my hands? What am I doing with my hands?
I need to. You know what you just looked like? The clapping monkey.
Ashley just said I looked like the clapping monkey. But anyways, rear end done. Good. This all will have to be adjusted once we get it at ride height, so we might have to change some position holes and whatnot. It's pretty close right now, but it's not perfect. But we can't really do it till we get the car to ride height and get all of that square and even on the alignment rack, because by moving these bars, it will center the rear end in the car. So we need some adjustments like that. But as of right now, rear end is in. Shocks are temporary. Yes, we welded one because it was broken, but we put it back together because we needed something to hold the rear end in place. So, yeah, Ashley says it's janky. It is super janky, but I don't care. It holds the rear end where we need it. So, moving on, we are going to probably finish the brakes on this side and go from there. So here we go. Let's get to brakes. All right, I hope you can hear us over the fan. It's hot, it's humid, so fan's running. Rear brakes, built-in e-brake, just like a drum brake, but it's the e-brake. And then it's got a normal disc brake on the outside. Alright guys, what we're going to try here is we're going to try some, we need to see whether or not the wheel will go high enough into the wheel well for it to actually make this whole concept work. Not sure if it's going to work, we're going to try it, and so here we go.
Concept being?
Concept being that we want to put this thing on air shocks, we want to put it on the ground, we want to slam it. That's what we're going for here. So, yeah, so we're going to carry in our broken body and we're going to try it. All right, guys, so we got that mocked up. Pretty good results. We need to play with it a little bit more. Tires hit. We want to get a little more wheel travel up into the wheel well, but we need to try play with offset, maybe some playing with the arms and stuff like that. But initial looks, it looks good. So we're gonna carry on. We're gonna get shocks coming, and we'll make it work. If we have to change some body stuff during body and paint, we'll work on that too. So, but that looks good. What we're gonna carry on now, I want to show the other guys, seeing as it's just Ashley and I here today, get their take on it. We're gonna work on getting the dash cut so that we put the heater in and all that kind of good bueno stuff. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, guys, so, well, we've lost a bolt. It's somewhere around here. Anyway, so one last bolt to put in. I don't know, it fell. It's been a long day. But, so, heaters are done. Well, almost. So now we're going to build a cover that covers these two sections and links them together. But, so that is all you will see in the cockpit. We're going to cut these down, or in the engine bay. We're going to cut these down, put some fittings on them, and just cleans it up. You don't have this ugly motor just hanging out in the engine bay. Nice, clean, 5.2 Speedworks style. So with that, heater done. It's been a great day working on the car. We got the rear end in, which is awesome. Feels good. We got some looks over here with the shocks and whatnot. I don't see anything that's going to hold us back. Some more fiddling, maybe playing with some bars like I said before. But other than that, brakes are done. Things are done, rear end's in. So I know we didn't end on the most fun stuff to watch of building a heater into this, but it had to be done. Had to be. I thought you guys might want to see it because it's something different than the way everything else is going with these cars. So with that, appreciate you guys that have been with us. Those of you that are new, please hit that subscribe, hit that like button. It helps us out. If you want to really help us out, go to 520 Speedworks, pick up a t-shirt. So with that, we'll see you guys next time.